So I'm just updating our Kori blog theme to the latest version 1.13, and there are two things that could happen when you update the theme. One is the misalignment in the header here, and this happened to I think one or two of our themes. This is just updates of blogs and options that weren't available before. So I will show you quickly how you can fix that. And the second will be in the Kori theme that you might see that the social icons here don't have the padding. And the reason is that I deleted the CSS, the custom CSS included to get the padding before, and now I use block settings for that, which is like in the long run just smarter. So here I already updated this, but I'm going to show it to you how I update this in the footer. In the long run, it's just always better to have all your settings in the block, like applied via block settings, and not have any custom CSS in the theme for that. So with additional options now available for the social links, we can do that. So I show you quickly how to fix these two issues. So for the header, I want to fix the header template part. And so I go into the editor, and I would always recommend you not to fix any changes here in the template, but rather go straight to the template parts and navigate directly to the header. It's just safer that you really make sure you apply the changes in the actual template part, and it then saves it globally for wherever the header is applied, and you don't mix anything up with the rest. So I open my list view here, and I have two group blocks, and I need the two group blocks actually, but what is missing here is the alignment, and we have this new option now to have the group block in a row, and this will actually fix the arrow. So before we didn't have that option, and I did a little workaround, but now we have this option. We want to save the settings in the block and not add any custom CSS. Okay, I switched the group block, the second group block of the header, to a row here in the group settings, and this fixes the alignment, but now I have both of the elements next to each other, and then I go into the justification settings and I choose space between items to have them left and right aligned. I think this should be it. I saved my changes for the header template part, and let's check it out. Yeah, so in the Kori theme, the header, the navigation here is fixed aligned for the one pager to work, so you can navigate around. So as you can see, it fixes the issue, and it also fixes the issue in responsive. I did a little update there as well, as you can see, to the mobile button. So let's fix all the social links and add padding to there. So we switch again to the template parts, and we switch to the footer. And here you see the issue applied. I open my list view again. You can also always use the shortcut here, and I go into my elements. I can just click into one, and then it opens up the area when I want to make changes. So it's the social links icon, and there's spacing missing, but the social links now have this new core dimension settings, and I can use the block spacing for the spacing instead of custom CSS. So what I want to do is, I don't want to apply it to the top and bottom. I only want to apply it to the right and left alignment. And I always like to use rem, because we always use rem in all our themes, but you could use pixels as well. So I want to apply one rem, which is 16 pixels, to spacing to the blocks, and I just do this here, and I save my changes, and the issue is fixed. And the cool thing is now the setting is actually where the social icons are, so it's fixed where it's supposed to be, and if I ever switch the themes and stuff, it sticks with the spacing will stick with the social links used. So I just want to quickly show you these changes. So if you have any kind of issues like that, you know what to do.